What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And today I'm gonna go help Miguel install his rear axles because he bought new ones also. And I'm gonna be going to his house to help him out. And I'll probably do some little cruise videos after, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to his house right now and then help him out and see what we do after, see what we can find to do. So I already pulled up right here to Miguel's house. We got one of the axles out, passenger side. No one's in already. He's trying to take off the driver's side one now. Because these are already done, so it's always good to go new. It's better. But it's being a little biatch. So we got the axles in already. This thing is on a welded diff too. Everything's functioning. This side was really hard to do, same like mine. But yeah. Good to go. Just when we thought we were Gucci, fucking axle broke. It like literally broke inside. They probably sent a defective one. That thing literally broke right now. Getting out the highway. Check this shit out. It literally broke on the way here.
Snapped in pieces.
Snapped in pieces. Oh well, we're gonna put the old one back and hit up the people we bought it off of and have them send us another one. So literally, like I said, it literally broke off complete. Look at that. These are brand spanking new. And it just broke like that. All the little bearings that go in there just, you know,
shot out.
Boom. And we're like literally like from where he lives to here is like 5 minutes, so like 3 minutes inside the freeway, and then it just snapped. Well, this sucks. Now we're putting, huh?
Can you lower the jack?
So now we're fucking putting back his old axle.
Oh, hey, wait.
There?
Oh my, that shit was smashing me.
Yeah.
Oh fuck,
Yeah.
I'm scared. Wait.
That shit was kidding.
Oh fuck.
Oh, it's on the wheel.
Let me get out of this.
Sorry, I paused the videos. I guess I was smashing this fool right here. Oh damn, crazy shit. But axle's in. Now just to button everything up, and then we're good to go again. But stupid axle, man. We're gonna definitely hit them up. Send us a defect one.
That was driving slow too.
Yeah, we weren't even driving crazy. We're just cruising it. Oh well, it is what it is. Gonna get this fixed, back in the road, and then get another axle, put that in. But yeah, check out the twins. Oh, I have my Vertex bumper on right now. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got some new stuff for this thing. I got a rear lip, and I got Tesla taillight covers. Looks so sexy. So yeah, we're right here in a freaking parking lot in Santana. But luckily we're almost done. Luckily for my cousin Richard, he had his jack on him, and this guy had all his tools. I had all the tools also, so it came in handy. So yeah, we live, baby. we're back in the ground, ready to go back home. It rides good, same shit, just that the axle took a dump. Richard pulled up with a pizza, real MPV, MPV. Most, oh yeah, MVP, not the MPV van. Not so yeah, thing's done, ready to go back home. So I try to get some rollers right now when we're on the freeway. I'll probably pass my camera around. I need to buy another GoPro.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So that wraps it up for this video. We're under the Anaheim A and Angel Stadium. Just came through, just to kick back, take some pictures of our cars for Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you want to know about these cars, I'll tag this guy right here. I'll tag this guy right here. That's my car. And I'll tag this guy right here. And these cars are all OEM 5-speed, all of them. 5-speed, 5-speed, and then these two are also 5-speed. This one's Miguel's. I'm sure you guys seen it already. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys seen all of them, but just wanted to show you guys that they are all 5-speed for the new ones. Hey, unlock your car. For the new guys that are watching me, these are all 5-speed. So me and Miguel, we have welded diffs, and then these guys have the LSDs. But yeah, that wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.